Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This wonderful house, which is located in Spur, Manchester, features three sizable bedrooms and three bathrooms with glass shower doors and a jetted tub, all tastefully constructed to meet your comfort and wants. It is also associated with a full cabinet and built-in kitchen. The flooring is ceramic tile and the roof is decoramastic, creating a wow impact when viewed from the outside. The yard is fully walled and also paved with a lovely lawn, which adds to its appeal and elegance. This residence has grilled for security and, of course, a beautiful landscaping for additional visual delight. The land area is approximately 48,660 square feet. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $195,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.